10 holes with a 4mm drill bit. These are 4.8, so they'll dig in a little bit and get the floor fixed down. Of course my battery's dead. So I'm going to countersink this initial hole just to see whether I need to with all of them. So after multiple trips back and forward to B&Q and tool station, got some longer screws that are hopefully going to do the job and secure the floor down. Let's have a go. And that should be the floor screwed down. Thank Christ. It took way longer than I'd hoped. So now that the floor is screwed down, I'm going to lay out the boards and see how they fit. Hopefully they're all going to fit. They're just vinyl clanks. Didn't want to get anything too chunky because I didn't want to add too much weight onto it, but they seem pretty hard wearing. We'll see how we go. I'm just going to go for it. I think this way is probably better because there's a join in the ply down the middle. So if I go this way, I'm not going with that join and I'll cover it up. So if there's a little bit of a difference in height between the two boards, it shouldn't really matter.